If you want to add some style and protection to your 2018 or newer JL Wrangler with a 32-inch spare tire, this Life is Good native off-road spare tire cover with the camera opening will be a great choice to consider. Now, everyone knows Life is Good from their t-shirts, stickers, and accessories, so this is going to be perfect if you're already a fan of the brand and want to integrate that into your Jeep build as well. Now, this won't just benefit you by adding it as a style bonus to your Wrangler, but also protection to your tire from the elements to make sure that it's in good condition if and when you need to use it, making sure that you're always prepared. Now, this is going to feature a pretty structured design to maintain a good shape to be able to get around that 32-inch tire. Now, I would keep in mind that some more aggressive 32s may be a bit tougher to get this cover in place, but this will have a slip gusset for some added flexibility. Now, you can also see that right in the middle, this is going to be compatible with the factory backup camera, and what I think I like most about this is the very finished seams, really adding that completed appearance and a premium look out of the cover overall. And the feature that obviously you can't miss is that Life is Good logo with the Jeep and the very aggressive tires, adding that style bonus, but it also is going to be printed on with a quality print, making sure that it's going to look good for years to come. Now, this will be made of a weatherproof PVC vinyl construction, being durable enough to protect that tire even on the rainiest of days. Now, the cover will also include a woven lined interior, so this is going to keep the wheels from being scratched or resist any surface damage on the wheels. Now, when the cover is on and tucked properly over the tire, this will fit very tight thanks to the elastic outer cord, which I think is a nice detail to maintain that good fitment that you may be looking for your JL. Now, this will come in at around $80, and for the quality of this cover, I think that that's a very fair price. Now, if you put it this way, having the tire unprotected, potentially damaged, and then needing to replace it will be a lot more expensive than this cover that's easy to use, and obviously it's going to look great while it's on. Now, not to mention, you also thank yourself in a just-in-case moment that your tire is ready to go, making it, in my opinion, a worthwhile mod. Now, installing this will be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, as you can probably assume, taking you about a minute or so to get it in place. Now, one of our customers here has actually installed this on their JL and is going to show you how to maneuver this onto yours the easiest way possible. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
The tools you'll need for this job are your right hand and your left hand. They are most likely found at the end of your arms. Hi, I'm Russell James, working with Extreme Terrain. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Life is Good native off-road spare tire cover. This cover will protect your spare tire from the elements, but more importantly, it will make everyone behind you in traffic smile, decreasing road rage, and saving countless lives. The spare tire cover has a hole in the center. This is not a defect. This is for the backup camera. Without it, every time you went into reverse, you would have to look out the back window, and that is so 20th century. The first step is to take the hole in the spare tire cover and place it over the backup camera. Once you've got that, we're going to put the top of the cover over the top of the tire. So the top of the cover is going to tuck over the edge of the tire, and it's going to tuck down behind this carrier just a bit. It's not going to be tight yet because we have to put the rest of the cover over the tire before it all tightens up. Once the top is secure, we're going to do the right-hand side, tucking the edge of the elastic over the edge of the tire. Then we do the left-hand side. Again, as we pull it over, make sure that elastic goes past the edge of the tire. Once both sides are about 3/4 of the way down, it's time to do the bottom. This is definitely easier to do if you have the door open and this is far away from the bumper. We're going to take the bottom elastic, just like we did on the sides, and tuck it down and behind the tire. If this is difficult to do, it's probably because while you were putting the sides on, the top has rolled back a little bit and has made it too tight. So check up there. You may need to pull it forward a bit before you tuck the bottom down. You'll know you have it done correctly if when you're finished, this edge right here is matched with the edge of your tire. And finally, you're going to want to ditch this because it's not trail rated.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this Life is Good Native Off-Road Spare Tire Cover with the camera opening, fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers with a 32-inch spare tire. And remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.